आयज आमच्या वास्को एम.एल.एन. बाब कार्लोस आल्मेदान मिटींग कॉल केली प्री मन्सून ग्रिव्हन्सीस आयकपाक. पूण एक्चुली पळोवपाक गेल्यार जशें जाय आसलेलें काम तशें काम वास्कोन जावंक ना. वास्कोन जेन्ना कार्लोस आल्मेदा जे आपूण लक्ष लावन काम करतालो तेन्ना आजून पासून वास्कोन फ्लडींग ही जावंक ना. आनी म्हाका दिसता आतां जे तेंच्यांनी म्युन्सिपाल्टीन जे कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट बेजीचेर कोणाक गटर क्लीन करपाक दिल्लेलो आसा ते मेजर प्रायोरिटीचे जाग्यार आहा पळय त्या जाग्यार करूंकूच ना. ज्या जाग्यार आपले कावन्सिलर आसा किंवा खंयसर आहा ते थंयच काम चाललेलें आसा. आमी अशें केन्नाच पळोवंक नासले. आमी प्रायोरिटी पयलेली खंय फ्लड जाता पळय थंयसर. आयज तुमकां सांगूंक सोदता हांव एवरी इयर तुमी पळयता आसले माता स्कुला कडेन भुरग्यांक वचपाक जाय थंय उदीक भरता. आवर लेडी ऑफ कॅन्डलेरिया थंय उदीक भरता. हांगा म्युनिसिपल क्वॉर्टर्स पुलीस क्वॉर्टर्सा कडेन थंय उदीक भरता. HQ आहा थंयसर उदीक भरता. वॉलांत आहा थंयसर उदीक भरता बस स्टँडा कडेन. हे प्रायोरिटीचेर करपाक जाय आनी हे पळोवपाक गेल्यार आजून काम स्टार्ट करूंक ना. वेरेज सड्या वयले सड्याचेर काय फ्लडींग जायना किंवा निवळाचेर फ्लडींग जायना किंवा चिखले फ्लडींग जायना. हांगा तेंच्यांनी प्रायोरिटीचेर काम केल्लेलें आसा. म्हाजें मत आहा इतलेंच की हे जे प्रायोरिटीचेर आहा पळय ते प्रायोरिटीचेर काम करपाक जाय तेंच्यांनी आनी तेंच आमच्या आमदारान ताका चीफ ऑफिसराक आनी मामलेदाराक सांगलां की हे प्रायोरिटीचेर काम करपाक.
We have got low-lying areas like Diana, Mayamode, Urule, those areas. So I have asked them to stress more on the low-lying areas first. And one more thing I said, Sapta also is there. Sapta time nala flooding zada. Sapta time. Every day, आता ते गटर साफ करून घे. These are the two issues I have taken up with them. For the past few years, Vasco has no major flooding. That is the reason that I had a review meeting with the Water Resources and the Municipal Council. So whatever shortfall that there, I have told them to do within a week, within 3 or 4 days.
Sir, any further review meeting is going to be happening?
On the 14th, we'll have a review meeting back here.
We have already tendered a work into two groups. We have 25 wards in Kurumanga Municipal Council. One agency is given ward number 1 to 12, and the second agency given 13 to 25. They have already started the work, and as per the first gang, as per the report I have received, 1 to 12, the gang has already completed the work, except some work in two wards, ward number 7 and ward number 12. And in the second agency, they too have already started the work, and two wards are remaining, 20 and 22 are remaining. Each ward has been given, tendering is given for 500 meters of work, and this work has to be supervised by the concerned ward councillor. We are also removing the mud which have been already removed and which is kept by the side of the gutters, and we will also start clearing the areas near the schools so that our students should not suffer anything. We are totally gearing up, and I will issue some necessary orders today for a flying squad. So when the rain comes, if there is any emergency, people can contact him, and it will be throughout 12 by 7. He will do the work, and one team will be under him, and he will immediately go visit the site and carry out the necessary work.